I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable emergency SOS on your iPhone. So just remember, you can press and hold down the lock button and either of them of these side volume buttons at the same time for it to pull up an emergency SOS screen or your power off screen. And then at that point, you can have that contact the local authorities. After a certain countdown, it'll contact 911 or whatever your region's number is, and it will also notify your emergency contacts with your location as well. You should only use this for emergencies, but you can also set up the actual timer. So we'll open up our settings app and then we'll scroll down to emergency SOS. As you can see here, you press and hold the side button and either volume button to make the emergency call. It won't make the call immediately, but you will be able to tap that once you hold those buttons. If you scroll down here, you can press call with 5 button presses. So if you rapidly press the side button, aka the lock button, 5 times, it will begin a countdown and an alarm. And when the countdown ends, your phone will call the emergency services. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.